Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the iRobot home app settings for the iRobot Roomba 205. If you're interested in the 205, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the iRobot home app right here. We're in the robots category. It's the second option from the left down at the very bottom. It's got the little robot icon where we can pick and choose our Roomba. In this case, we want the Roomba 205. So we're going to select that. And this is going to take us to our main device overview. Top right-hand corner, we have 3 dots. This is all of our robot settings. We can learn more about our Roomba. We can locate it if it's missing around the house. We can enable or disable child and pet lock. We can adjust languages right here. So you have multiple languages to choose from. 5 installed, and additional languages you can add as well. Then we have audio volume, Wi-Fi settings, reconnect or change Wi-Fi, and then we can reboot the Roomba down at the bottom. Back out here, current ready to clean status, 94% charging. We have multiple resources there in those 4 squares. In those 4 squares, we have our robot health resource. This gives us basically a timer and a countdown of when it's time to replace key parts and components. Super simple and straightforward though with what you're able to control. There's really not much to it. You can't adjust suction or anything like that. I'm actually mistaken. You can adjust suction settings on the Roomba 205. You just have to select the room, go down here, scroll for advanced options, hit the settings icon in the room, and then we have eco, medium, high, and max. And you can adjust the cleaning passes right there as well. So this is what you get right here. And then we can go to the My Home section. That's the bottom left-hand corner icon with the little house. And this is where we can see all of our maps, but let's go look at the 205 right here. Map 6 is going to be that one. And from here, we have recommendations, routines, and spot cleans, and we can create a new routine right there. So you can tap map or a card to clean. And then here's the map, so we can select like a room to clean, right? Multiple rooms. And then down here, we have routine preferences, light, normal, or deep clean. So you can choose that, and you can learn more about that. Where you want it to clean. Multiple tabs, all room, furniture and zones, right? So you can build this out. We have the little scheduling routine right here. Choose which days of the week to clean, what time you want it to start. So you can build that schedule again for those rooms everywhere. There's a lot that you can do there in the cleaning preference section. And then you'll also see we have our edit map option down here. So we can edit rooms, we can add clean zones, we can add keep out zones. We can edit the map name, rotate the map, and delete the map. And then in the middle, our icon with the clock is our automation section. So take cleaning off your to-do list with automated routines. So you can add a new automation if you want. Support section and a store. So very basic functionality. Basically, you can set a schedule for your Roomba 205. You can choose 3 different cleaning settings, basically light to deep or somewhere in between. You can do spot cleans. You can add cleaning zones. And then you can add no-go zones on your map. Basic robot vacuum functionality.